Good evening, everybody. I'm Srinivas. So actually, I'm ex-Regal's president. Then I joined VS. I've taken VRS 2 years back. Um, so I don't have any because already so many lectures I've done because I'm a senior member. So we have been taught about how to save the money. So have been the conventional way of thing, putting the money into the bank and all other things, and I was very much comfortable. So in last year October when I was seeing his lecture, it's a spike. He has just whatever he's spoken about the money matters and all other things. I don't know. This person is speaking some truth. There's a reality in it. So I don't know what happened. Immediately within 2 minutes I had taken a decision. I taken the membership. But still, I was not getting confidence. What is he telling? Can I invest? I have not spoken to him. I was talking to his member, and finally, 2 months passed. I was confused. Yeah, these people are telling nice, but I don't know whether their office is there or not. The people who are speaking, I'm not getting confidence. I made sure that he's talking to me once. I made a lot of emails, and then I got a confidence, and I started investing from January onwards. But still, I trust him. I don't know because I don't have any financial knowledge, how things. I thought, yeah, this person will be doing something good. So let me see how it happens. So after finally, again, I see, because see, when I have taken VRS, they have given good amount. I kept it in the banks actually. So since your guidance is there, maybe if it is returning some regular income, thinking forward for that.
Yes, sure.
But I know because I don't know, you all people also maybe having the same kind of opinion. The kind of information he's giving, I think that the money is safe in this company. Thank you.